back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So you guys, in today's video, I was so excited. Husband woke me up, said your package came. I was like, definitely. I stayed up all night, y'all. But anyway, so I had to hurry up and did something to my head. I didn't really do much. I didn't do a good job, but whatever. And I just did a light beat face. But I was like, I was so excited to do this video because I finally invested me in a ring light, you guys. And I also want to share with you guys the lights that I started on YouTube with. I want to share all that with you guys, what you can use that's pretty good too, and to my unboxing of my new ring light. So if you want to see, go ahead and continue watching this video. When I first started YouTube, I've been on YouTube for a minute, off and on. Y'all know how they go. But yeah, so I've been on YouTube off and on, you guys. And I was like, I never invest. I won't invest in a ring light or any type of ring light unless I really know that my channel is going somewhere. My channel have, even though it's not where I want it to be, but it has gotten better to when I first started. So yeah, so grateful for what you got, okay? So I'm blessed. I got over 1,000 something subscribers. So yes, girl, I know I have to I'm so blessed and thankful for you guys. So thanks so much for subscribing. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So you guys, like I said, I was using like natural sunlight, which is very good too. And this the other light I've been using. I haven't had this. I actually got 2 of these. I think my daughter got the other one in her room. And they used was only like $7 from Walmart. And these the long lasting lid light, no bulb, to replace forever. And you guys, this worked good too. Even though I had my struggle where I had to angle everything right. But you guys, it worked for me. And also I'm gonna insert another picture of this tall, like this little lamp I got from the thrift store that I was using as well. I can put in 3 bulbs. I also was using that as well. And give my girl a shout out for Kiana Talented. I seen it on her video. I was like, oh, that's good. Let me start off doing, get this, like, buy this light, and then I see, do I want the bigger ring light. So my girl Kiana Talented, she had this on her channel where she did an unboxing of this type of light. I don't know if it's from the same vendor, but I will leave it down below. It was only let me go into my Amazon, and I got it from Amazon, an inch ring light. And I believe I paid less than $30 or about $30 for this light, because they do have one on here that's but that's 8-inch. No, so yeah, it's about around 30. So you probably can catch you one for like $25-30 around that price. But you guys, if that come available, I still will leave the link down below of where I purchased this. And I like this because especially when I do my makeup, and it could be like right on when I sit it on the table. And I just like how then you could adjust and put your phone in here. I just like, so you guys, it get bright as well. It get bright, so, and you can adjust it. It has the little adjustable thing to turn it on. And also it came with, I always lose these things, it comes with a little Bluetooth remote. And you see, this one came to my new one. I was like, let me put a chain or something on, like a keychain, because I always lose these things. I recommend this if you just starting out YouTube, or if you just want to use, you can go to Walmart and get these regular lid lights. And this is pretty bright too, you guys. Let me show y'all. This one is pretty good too, you guys. Like I said, I had 2 of them. So, sure. These little things, it's not, you can still use it during your video, because I kind of use it when I'm looking in my mirror here, my tall mirror. But it's really for my vanity, and I wish they had more. It's these vanity lights, and they just stick on to your mirror. And I just noticed they 2 different colors, more like a rose gold and like a pink color. I just realized that. I don't know, but I was gonna put these on. I was gonna do a DIY on my vanity and do it like that instead of you know, the Hollywood vanity, I was gonna do that instead of spend all that money on that. And I got these from Burlington. They was only $5.99 a piece. And look how good that shows. Well, my battery low. It can run by batteries, guys. I gotta get some more batteries. And look how cute that'll be. Like, this would be a good DIY. Like, so cute. I wish I'm gonna look and I'm gonna see, do I have a link to this. I'm gonna try to find more of these, because I really do. I feel like I can make my vanity mirror out of these things super easy. And yeah, let's go. So let me know if you guys would like to see me do a DIY on that. Like I said, you guys, start off small. You don't have to go buy, like, I'm still using my iPhone as far as in camera. I do one day want to invest in a good camera, but iPhones is just as good. Like, it ain't no rush for me. Like, but the ring light, I was like, I had to. It's so pretty. Like, that little small one spoiled me. I was like, man, I'm just going to buy me a big one. And the one that I got, you guys, is the 18-inch ring light. And this thing, oh my god. Oh. Like, this thing can blind you, girl. So that's the highest, you guys. It goes. You guys. Like, look at that makeup suit light the back a little bit. Y'all, and yes, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing of the video, how I put it together, and I done all that. So yeah, let's just go into the clip so you guys can see when I first opened it and everything. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, I do have more stuff coming for you guys. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And yeah, and thanks so much for watching.